Hello and welcome to this project on the chatbot that we have made. Our bot's main task is to sell potatoes. So if we were to look at the system in its completeness, we have the user interacting with the GUI to input data, which feeds into the main Rasa server. The main Rasa server will then store data that's processed within the sentence. So our current model will save the sentiment analysis data. So it will look at how positive the message was, and it will also save the entities in the message. There is a chance that the system will think it is appropriate to use a custom action, in which case it will send the message to the custom action server, and then the server will process the request. It will also use data stored in temporary storage if necessary, and then display the message back to the GUI. Or if a custom action is not needed, it can directly create a text reply using a canned answer and display it through the GUI. So the features implemented in this version that is very unique in our opinion is the API's ability to connect with other bots. So we have made a connector, and we believe that can be compressed into an API. We also have an auto installer that is capable of installing some, but not all, of the dependencies required for this bot to work. So we believe this can be simplified into an API where other people can just input the dependencies they want, and then it can easily auto-generate all the dependencies and install them. Third, we have the GUI that works for our bot. It should be able to function with any other bot that is created in Rasa that doesn't need the ability to send images. We also have a custom action for making a decision on what flowers to recommend depending on the user's request, or the user can request stuff like, I want flowers for a wedding, I want flowers to celebrate someone's birthday, I want flowers to show hope. The bot will be able to respond. There's also a music decision custom action that can do the same thing but for music, and we believe both of those can be exported into an API. We've also added some extra stuff that's using other people's API, so mostly using the NLTK for sentiment analysis and entity recognition.